It is a healing instinct. It is innate in all of us. An example of this is when we rub an aching shoulder or our stomachs when it's in pain. Egyptian tomb paintings depict people receiving massage. The ancient Chinese and Indian texts refer to it as treatments for various diseases and injuries. Even the Greek and Roman physicians relied on it as one of their primary therapies. Throughout the millennia, touch was the most important diagnostic and therapeutic tool in the doctor's handbag. The use of touch and movement for healing purposes reaches back to the ancient cultures of the East. An example of this is shiatsu, tai chi, yoga, reiki, and qigong. Even the Bible makes reference to the healing and the laying of the hands. The material medica and folklore of these cultures contain methods for hands-on healing and intentional movements that subsequently has built the foundation for modern-day massage and body work. Touch is the first sense to develop in human beings. Nurtured